elections to the Legislative Assembly of the state are approaching, and the church leadership in Goa will take up once again this duty-bound task. We do issue guidelines to our faithful on how to exercise their franchise and thus fulfill one of their sacred civic duties. These guidelines are read out in our churches, but they never mention the name of any candidate or any political party. The people are sovereign, they decide. And our faithful are requested to pray and to vote according to their conscience. In fact, Catholics in Goa have already begun praying every Sunday that the right kind of candidates may be elected to power in the forthcoming elections. If, as a result of the Church's advisory, some party comes to power, it does not follow that the party was canvassed for by the Church.
Jennifer, from the Soglo plan pass zalo, January Chiminian Tami Foundation Galto. File upon Gyungela, Prudent and pass Kurun Gitla. Taleigao Maria, Dogangui Babunano, Father Tuinaka, Aurun the file pass Kutta. To Chennai Yamchi Point, Itle, Fudeusun, Kas, Bargyun, Bab Dilip Kota Burbur, and Amso Babroni, Sogle, Amka Kurun Dila. Torami would ask for election at Atenna. Dumping majority dune, Jennifer put to an assembly in Daruya. Fudlo Amso Baurula, hall complete Kurunzai. Kidak and Babush promise Kelly Fada Kido. Amso Babagnel Mundirasa, Sangleli, Fada Kido Bienaka. What the Kuzikun Handitolo? Kidak Babush and card is ruined. Muduk Dogai, Gen election and Busta Tenan, Dogangui, and support Korea. Kidak, Amchimuni Sasot, so we saw Daru Tiamka. Kitten some Gaune Guruna, Padri, Kitli was Magulanza Woods. It smile, Proclaims, Soganin Dalne, Pil, Science of Dalne. Ibashin, Babush Monserrate by Jennifer Monserrate. Ami, Kerid Bashin, Amchidi, our parish members, Amchi Gauchi Babuina. Munduts, in good Mutindurchi, February German elections at the Denna, Omog, Mogan, Farikurso, Christmas present, Amidangan Junso, February German and Jikunadun, and Fudarakui, fully Bantorsa, social activities at Chaun, Sod Fudevusum, and Taleigao shines on.
Jennifer Monserrate and Babush has built a huge parking lot for the church and given to us. They have done a big place where we can celebrate masses and conduct all our activities throughout the year. For all the things that they have done, I have thanked them, as I thank anybody who ever does the work. And that is the obligation to say thank you to any individual, whichever party may be. I'm not supporting any party.
I do not know, maybe the religious, there is nothing wrong again according to the constitution and the law of the land, that a religious body guides its flock in which way to vote. Maybe not whom to vote. I don't think whom to vote should be a standard, but how to vote, certainly I don't think there is anything wrong. Saying you vote for a particularly honest candidate and you particularly vote for a secular candidate, you vote for somebody who will respect the law of the land, who's not a criminal. I don't think there is anything wrong in a religious head advising his flock, whether it's the archbishop or any other.